Hello everyone and welcome to How to UEFN. Today I will explain how you can make global textures. Global textures are extremely useful, especially if you want to resize your object and want that your texture doesn't change its size or shape, and it does exactly what the name suggests. Every pixel has a well-aligned position and it will stay in that position no matter what happens to the object. So once you're in here, click on Content Drawer and just go into your main folder and drag in all of the textures you want to use for your project. Once you have that, right click on your color texture and create a material. Name it however you want. I'm just going to name it global texture. Double click to open that up. Now with this color blueprint, right click on it and convert to a texture object. You can change the sample type to a color. Now drag out of this node and get a world aligned texture. With this, connect the XYZ to the base color. And by holding 1 and left mouse click, we can get a value node, which we will drag into the texture size. And if we click into our node on the left side, we can also change the value. So you can see this will change the size of our texture tiles. So with this, basically the entire thing already works. So if you apply this and go out of here, you can go to the modeling mode and just get yourself a box real quick. Place it somewhere. Accept. Go to your content drawer. In meshes, double click on your cube and you can select the material we just made. Now if we go out of this and go into a selection mode, we can see if we scale this now, our texture will not change and everything is completely global. Our tiles stay exactly in the position where they were. And the same thing also applies for rotating your props. However, right now we only used a color texture, and if you want to use a normal or a specular or roughness texture, you can go back into your material and you just do the same thing by dragging in your texture, right clicking, converting to a texture object, dragging out and getting a world aligned texture, getting the XYZ and putting it in the corresponding channel. For in this case, it's the normal channel. And lastly, if you use a value, put that into the texture size so everything lines up perfectly. Now having a side-by-side comparison, this is a normal texture. And you can see it stretches with every move, and with our texture we have no problem with that. We can just do whatever we want with it. So that's it with the video already. Pretty simple and pretty straightforward. If I could help you with this, let me know with a like, and if you want to support me, subscribe to my channel. Thanks to everyone who supported me in the last week, and I'll see you in the next one.